For the last couple months, the driver's side door has been getting progressively louder with a creaking sound when opening or closing. Today I will show you this issue in more detail. Let me open the door and show you the problem. This is the top hinge. This is the middle hinge, which is also known as the check strap, and then we have the bottom hinge. Let me get inside and demonstrate the sound. The top and bottom hinges basically keep the door attached to the car. The middle check strap is what determines how far the door opens and allows the detents for partially open and fully open. After looking at this area closely, it is definitely the check strap that is making the noise. I have found examples of this problem on Tesla message forums, and some suggestions include using lubrication. Here I used white lithium, which is commonly used for auto door hinges. I sprayed it on the hinge parts as best I could. However, even after doing this, there was no improvement and the sound still remained. I also added white lithium to the other hinges. I also checked to see if there were any loose bolts in this area. Otherwise, everything seemed to be attached well. You can clearly see here that the hinge of the check strap is wobbling side to side. I went to the other side of the car and tried the passenger door. It makes a similar noise but is much quieter. This is how it started on the left door in the beginning and got progressively louder as time went on. The rear passenger doors, however, have no issue. I contacted mobile service for a visit this week. The service tech removed the door panel and took out the old check strap. He said this seems to occur randomly and has seen it on older as well as newer Model 3s. He then put in the new check strap and tightened the connections. By the way, I don't video service technicians to respect their privacy. Now let's look and listen to the result. So if you have an issue with any of the doors making a creaking noise, don't bother with lubrication. It is either a failed or failing check strap. Service will replace it free if the car is still within the 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty. It's hard to say if the check strap is failing prematurely to a design problem or a manufacturing issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.